Today I will be implementing ROS2 subscriber and publisher node. I have a folder called ROS2 workspace, and I will be creating a package using ROS2, and I will be using Python for this. I have added the dependencies, so let's create the package. As you can see, the project has been created. Okay, let's open it on code editor. First, I'm gonna create two Python files: a node publisher and node subscriber. Next, I need to open package.xml and add a dependency. It's a package called std messages. I'm gonna use this in my script. So let's save it. Next, in the setup.py, I need to add two console scripts. I'm gonna call one node subscriber and another one node publisher, which will point to the script's main function, which we are gonna create next. First, make our node subscriber bash script, so we can use it as our executable script. Then we will import rcl-py and node from rcl-py.node. Next we're gonna create a main function. I will give no argument, so I have it none here. Then I will initialize the rcl-py. Then I will add the shutdown function. Between these two functions, we will be writing our executable code. Next, I will be creating. Next, I have to call this main function here. Then I will be creating a class, a node subscriber, which will inherit node. Then I will give it an init method, which will take self as an argument. And as you can see, if I add here is a type error from Python, so I will ignore it for now. Then I still don't know why there is this error. I will check it later. Then I will add a subscription to this class, which will be created. The create subscription method takes three arguments. One is the message class, the type of message we're going to send, and another is a topic name. So in this case, it will be messages. And another is a callback, which will be created later. And another is a queue size, the maximum limit of data that will be stored. Then we will be creating the callback function, so which will take self as an argument and also a message, which will be type of string. Then we will for now, for simplicity, we're just gonna print it on console, the type of message we receive. Now I'm gonna create a subscriber using this class, and since I don't want to close the code after it's finished, so I will call the skin function, which will not close the terminal when the code finishes. So this is the node subscriber code. Similar to the previous one, I will be creating a main function and a class. So then I will call the main function. Now creating the node publisher. Then I will create the variable and name the publisher node publisher. I will assign a variable called count, which will count the number of messages that are sent. Then I will have publisher, which will be similar to the subscriber. Create publisher method. Then I will have a timer, which will send the message after every certain interval. In this case, 0.5 seconds. also need to pass a callback function. Now I have to create the callback function. So now since we're going to send a message, so I will create a message, then assign a data. In this case, I will be taking input from the user and sending it to the subscriber, and at the end increment the counter. Then I will publish the message to the subscriber. Next, we can print the message to the console. Then I will just create the publisher and then run it in the screen. Let's save it. Now I need to open the terminal at the root of my workspace, and now I just need to build the package. So call from build, will build the package. The build is finished. I have a terminal opened in VS Code. One is for publisher and another is for subscriber. So let's run the node subscriber. Okay, subscription started. Now let's run the node publisher. Okay, let's type something. For example, hello world. Okay, the message is sent. As you can see, it has been received here. I write here. Perfectly.